Bien. Bien. Oji, kachini.
Now, what's trending YouTube, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And of course, if you're new here, I'm your host Mgeto K. Okay, now there is this online drama which has been happening where Eric Omondi, the president of comedy, he has imported dogs. Now, the funny thing about these dogs is that he named them after his foes. There is one which he calls OG, which mimicry imitates the Khaligraph Jones. Another one he calls Bien, another one Apoko. Now, we don't know what really he means by naming the dogs after his foes, but it's kind of, we don't know if it's a drama or it's for protection purposes. But here's the video. Make sure you watch till the end so that you may understand why he calls his dogs what he does. So I'm your host Mgeto K. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Enjoy. Make sure to click that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Till next trending video. Thank you, guys.
As I told you earlier on, there's Bien. Bien. As I told you earlier on, there's been a lot of disrespect in the industry aimed at the president himself. And we have taken extreme measures to ensure that there's discipline amongst musicians and entertainers in this country. The president has imported, this is Omolo. Omolo is formerly of, Wewe! Oji, Kachini. Omolo is from Ukraine. Bien is from North Korea. Behind me is Apoko, who was born and served in Vietnam. And there we have Abisalom. Abisalom is locally from Kibera and very vicious. I will be working with these dogs everywhere I go to just maintain order in this industry. And I've heard Bien talking to me about not coming to Soulfest. You cannot do an event without my permission. And so I've requested, for now it's a request, for 20 VIP tickets for my dogs and 20 VIP tickets for our handlers. Kamene Goro, Obinna, KLG, the donkey. This should be your last warning. Obinna, Bien, Khaligraph. And I will pick one of you to serve as an example. The next person that mentions the name of Eric Omondi, I will look for you, I will find you, and my people will deal with you. Chakula ya umbwa.